Hey guys, Al Spence here from Gulf Coast Custom Models. Going to do a quick model update review for you on this new Comet. Very cool kit. As always with the Mobilus models, it's highly detailed. Very clean lines. Some really cool parts. Bad 427 engine. This was Arnie Burnswick. They used to call him the farmer. I built a 64 Pontiac, the Tameless Tiger, a while back. Very neat ride. Hard to build too, a pro mod. Anyways, let's get right in here. I'm building this currently for a guy. I'll show you that later. I got the interior, and there's a couple tricky parts you're going to have to know about. First off, as always, a Mobilus. The packs are separated. Great looking. Your body trim parts, one side. Your mags and engine parts up on the other. Some very neat looking 427 valve covers. Love them. Big nice T-shift Hertz shifter just like he had. In the box, your tires, very soft, nice slicks. Got the glass as always. It's separated, no scratched up glass, not ricocheting around in the box. And here, your engine. Pretty much almost all of it. Some big giant heads on it. Basic engine, guys. The headers are a key part. You gotta hang on. I gotta show you something on the other partially built kit. I'll show you that in a little bit. Here's the body. It's in here with the chassis. Very, very clean lines. You're not gonna have to do anything. You might wet sand it if you're bored. Roll cage and interior, as always, all together. Roll bar, I put mine in. He ran it. I seen it in the car. I've seen pictures of it. Here's your rear end, your interior door panels, and dash and stuff's on the other side. He ran a red interior, factory. Decals, I'm not gonna open these. I'll show you the other ones. I got the body done. I got it painted and decaled, so there's some sweet decals, very nice. And the instruction sheet, it's just like the Flash. It's got all your detailed parts. Paint codes are here for you, as always. And then you flip it over. You got these great graphic pictures to help you. It does have those tack dashes. It's got your temp and water and oil pressure gauges. Tack on the dash. It's just detailed. It's really nice. There's a big, nice picture of the 427 and your body. Now, there's a tricky part to this. This thing's got its separate motor mounts. I'll show you on the other one. You can't see it. They're built on the one I got built, but I can show you in here. You're gonna have to take your headers, and it's tricky. You gotta take your headers and hang them on the wheel well mounts. See here? These two things, they angle in like this, like a 40-degree up. You hang the headers on these mounts where these go. You dangle the headers, but you got to glue the motor mounts right here on first and let them set up. If you get in a hurry when you're hanging the headers on them and you go to mount the engine in it, what you're going to do right here beside it, see the headers? They got to be dry. These motor mounts have got to be set up, whether you got to leave it sit 2 hours or whatever. You just hang the headers on it, drop the engine in, and glue it up. It's got a little mount on the top of the tranny right here. Little peg that goes in the hole underneath the chassis to line you up perfect. And you're off and running. And then it's got your basic fender well build outs and everything. That's really the trickiest part I've seen on this. Was quite a bit different was that. So other than that, you should be good to go. So Al Spence here for Gulf Coast Custom Models. The Arnie Burnswick Killer Comet kit. I suggest getting it. It's a great kit. And look for my other review on the current build, what I'm doing on it. And I can show you some better detail on it, okay? I'll do that video probably tonight or tomorrow. You guys take care of one another. Have a great weekend. And Al Spence here for Gulf Coast Custom Models, and I'll catch you later. Bye-bye.